A healthy heart, your body's unsung hero. Your heart is amazing. It works tirelessly day and night to keep your blood pumping. This vital organ delivers oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body. Taking care of your heart is crucial for a long, healthy life. Heart disease is a serious concern. It's a leading cause of death worldwide. The good news is that you can take steps to protect your heart. Making healthy choices like eating a nutritious diet can make a big difference. Nature provides us with an abundance of foods that support heart health. And among these, chestnuts stand out as a true superfood for your ticker. These humble nuts are packed with nutrients that can help keep your heart strong and vibrant. So, let's explore the incredible heart-healthy benefits of chestnuts and learn how to incorporate them into your diet. Your heart will thank you.
Chestnuts are more than just a festive treat. They are nutritional powerhouses. Unlike many other nuts, chestnuts are low in fat and calories. This makes them a guilt-free snack. Don't let their small size fool you. Chestnuts are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber is key for a healthy heart. Chestnuts also provide a good dose of potassium. This mineral is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Chestnuts are rich in these powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage.
Fiber is your heart's best friend, and chestnuts are loaded with it. But how exactly does fiber benefit your heart? Firstly, fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can clog your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber, found abundantly in chestnuts, binds to cholesterol in the gut and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Secondly, fiber aids in blood sugar control. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for heart health. When blood sugar spikes, it can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart problems. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing these harmful spikes. By incorporating chestnuts into your diet, you can harness the power of fiber to keep your cholesterol in check and your blood sugar steady, ultimately protecting your heart.
Section 4. Potassium Punch. Regulating blood pressure for a happy heart. Potassium is another mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy heart. It works as a natural counterbalance to sodium, which can raise blood pressure. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your heart and arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Chestnuts are a good source of potassium. This mineral helps relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This relaxation lowers blood pressure and reduces the workload on your heart. By including potassium-rich foods like chestnuts in your diet, you can help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range and support your heart health.
Section 5. Antioxidant armor, shielding your heart from damage. Our bodies are constantly exposed to harmful free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage cells and contribute to various diseases, including heart disease. Antioxidants act like shields, neutralizing free radicals and protecting our cells from their harmful effects. Chestnuts are rich in antioxidants, including phenolic acids, flavonoids, and tannins. These powerful compounds work together to protect your heart from oxidative stress. They help prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Think of antioxidants as guardians of your heart, and chestnuts as a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake.
Section 6. Research Spotlight. Unearthing the heart-healthy secrets of chestnuts. The heart-healthy benefits of chestnuts are not just folklore. Scientific research supports their role in promoting cardiovascular well-being. Studies have shown that regular consumption of chestnuts can have positive effects on various heart health markers. One study published in the journal Nutrients found that eating chestnuts regularly led to a significant decrease in LDL cholesterol levels and an increase in HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. This improvement in cholesterol profile is a strong indicator of a healthier heart. Another study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted the antioxidant power of chestnuts. The researchers found that chestnut extracts effectively protected cells from oxidative damage, suggesting their potential in preventing heart disease. These studies provide further evidence that incorporating chestnuts into your diet can be a delicious and effective strategy for supporting your heart health.
Section 7. Embrace the chestnut delicious ways to boost your heart health. Now that you know the incredible heart-healthy benefits of chestnuts, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Adding chestnuts to your diet is easier than you might think. Roasted chestnuts, a classic for a reason. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and makes for a warm and comforting snack. Chestnut soup, a creamy and flavorful way to enjoy chestnuts as a starter or a light meal. Chestnut stuffing. Elevate your holiday meals with a delicious and nutritious chestnut stuffing. Chestnut flour. Use this gluten-free flour in baking to add a unique nutty flavor and boost the nutritional value of your treats. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, chestnuts are a delicious and versatile addition to a heart-healthy diet. So embrace the chestnut and give your heart the gift of good health.